Toys.
Toy, very good. Write down toys. Okay, next. For animals.
Duck.
Duck, good job, duck. Okay, next. People.
People.
Who's in your house? Siapa dalam rumah Aliah sekarang?
Mother.
Mother, write down mother. Mother is a person, people. Okay, next one. Places.
Places. Places.
We got school, we got canteen, we got home. Another one. Where do you love to go? Aliah suka pergi mana?
Bedroom.
Bedroom, yes. Bedroom is a place. Betul. Good job. Next. Tea, things, another things.
Um,
What are you holding? What are you wearing?
Sharpener.
Sharpener, yes. Write down sharpener. Okay, another animal.
Lion.
Lion, write down lion. Very good. Okay, next. People.
People. Father.
Father, right now. Father, good. Okay, next. Places.
Places. Places. Places. Place.
No. Where do you often go to? Suka pergi mana?
Mall.
Mall, yes. Mall is a place.